let's just say documenting and videotaping everything is really time consuming. Oh, I'm so tired. Who knows when I'm going to be able to get out of here. Oh, the coach is a mess. Everything, food, suitcases piled up. We're only going for 2 weeks, but you know, gotta make sure I have everything. And then we have 4 babies. I've got 2 birds. Mitchell's got 2 birds. We are not taking the coach this time. We're going to be taking the F350 and the camper. And we're going to take the Lexus on the dolly. So we'll have 2 vehicles. Yeah. So we'll park the camper and the F350, and then we'll take the second vehicle, my Lexus SUV GX470, into town and drive around. That way we don't have to keep packing up and taking the camper, the pop-up camper, up and down. So you'll see. I'll show you.